Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to introduce a friend in German. To facilitate a little bit the learning process, I put an image here with 3 people. I gave them names, so I hope it will help you a little bit. So, if we want to introduce a friend, we say in English, this is. In German, really easy. We just say das ist. So let's start introducing our friend Eric, who is the guy in the middle of the picture, yeah? So let's start saying this is Eric in German. Das ist Erik. Noch einmal, again. Das ist Erik. Great. So we also can tell where he comes from by the phrase kommt aus. He comes from, kommt aus. I created the example. Kommt aus England. He comes from England. Once more. Noch einmal. Kommt aus England. Really good. Let's go on and have a look at Ralf. Let's introduce Ralf. Das ist Ralf. This is Ralf. Noch einmal. Das ist Ralf. Where does he come from? Let's see. Kommt aus Österreich. He comes from Austria. Kommt aus Österreich. Austria, Österreich. The whole phrase again. Kommt aus Österreich. Well done. Now you know how to introduce a person and to say where a male friend comes from, right? Because means he. But how can we introduce a female friend and also say where she comes from? Let's see. I named the girl in the picture Sarah. So let me introduce Sarah to you. Das ist Sarah. This is Sarah. Das ist Sarah. So where does she come from? Sie kommt aus Deutschland. Sie kommt aus Deutschland. She comes from Germany. She comes aus Deutschland, from Germany. Deutschland, Germany. Guys, thank you so much for your attention and participating in your second German class with me. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!